Wait lang, maybe. Read mo muna. What is this?
A,
This one.
B,
This one?
B,
This one.
D, D,
This one.
carrot,
Carrot? C.
carrot,
Carrot. Starts with the letter C. Oh, what is this nga? Oh, read mo.
carrot,
Carrot. Letter C. Eto. Ulit. This one. Ano to? Ito. Ulitin mo.
A, go back!
A is for?
Apple,
D is for?
apple,
D. Anong D?
D,
Sa dog ba ang D? Ang C. Yung C. Asan ang B? B. Hindi D. B.
D, D, D,
D. Okay. Letter A. Letter B. B. Ball. As in ball. Yun. Very good.